trying to live my dream. I just want to see the inside of a tornado. You know, and I don't think you have to build a big goofy contraption like that to do it either. I sure wouldn't want to drive into a tornado in that. I ain't the brightest guy in the world, but I can tell you that right there is going to get them boys killed.
I got my fill. I have more than enough.
Long before, in my professional career, I was ready for a management position, I was managing a large group of people in Darkon. Long before I was ready to negotiate a multi-million-dollar business contract, I was negotiating a treaty between our country and other countries in Darkon. And while one is for fun and the other is for money, in reality, people are people and still the same sort of drivers. None of our wars are just another war. Every one is different, unique, and worthy of stories and songs and lies after the fact.